Pinagbabawal.
Welcome to Korea!
Kasi butas-butas yung pasok yung airway. Grabe yung amoy ng airport.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Mas mabango mamaya yung amoy ng airport ng Korea. Ay! Ay! Ay, 나침. 왜 그래? 왜 그래요? 아니, 항상 예뻐. 봐봐. Wow. And this is your background. This is Kara. And then the reason why we sit here is because of the view. Beautiful. Beautiful Kara. Beautiful. 예뻐. 또 Wow. So, what is the first thing that you'll do when you arrive in Incheon?
Take a photo and post it.
And who are you gonna meet with?
We're with friends, you guys.
Hey guys, 안녕하세요. Ante, 안녕하세요. We have the the newest fighter. 괜찮아? 괜찮아? 괜찮아. 자, yes, we're on our way to
Ayun na, lagi ko. Upuan ng walang pahintulot.
see you later.
Pinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Wala akong katabi. Solo ko siya ngayon. Solo ko ang linyang ito.
Isang naiinggit. Finally arrived at Incheon. Wow.
Alam mo, pagkasama ko kayo, ay pag hindi ko kasama.
Here's the NAIA team. Today she's going to do some camping here in Korea. Look, not very aesthetic, not even demure. Saan ka?
Punta na po kami ng immigration.
Ano? Indonesia?
Immigration.
So we're gonna transfer to immigration with the transferees.
Transfer student.
Yes, transfer students. Oh, you look like a teacher day. Very demure, very mindful, very Miss Minchin. Guys. Guys, welcome back to my chapel. Philippine and Manila.
Hi.
Hi, 안녕하세요. Daming pababa dito sa airport.
Incheon Airport. And sasakay muna kami ng subway.
Welcome to Korea. 안녕하세요.
Thank you so much.
Nairaos na ang immigration. Wow.
The next day. Flashback.
Ay, dito sa Korea. Morning. Pakuling mo, may stress talaga ako.
Time here at
Yung order ko.
Vlog read!
Nope.
Inaano niyo yung pagkuha ni Tenten, ginawa mo.
God.
Nakakita. Ang mahaba.
Hindi ko ginalaw. Ginanyan ko lang.
Sorry po, natapon yung kape ko. Kainis naman ako. I bought a new ice americano. Nagsayang ng 1,500 won si girl. Honestly, nakapila talaga sila sa lilim. Morning. So now we're going to Seoul. And mamimili kami ng mga skirts and a little travel.
May laman pa sa'yo?
Oo, may
Nope.
Di dyan. Sa kanan 10. Yan. Okay.
Ay, sira yung escalator. So, magkakagdan kami ng napakataas.
Nope. Nope.
Napakadaming kaakyat here sa Seoul Station. Ang dami naman namin dinaanan para sa next train.
Later.
Oh, we're here. And it's closed again. Like last year. Closed din siya.
Tomorrow.
I'm going to buy this thing. Drinks? What drinks?
May water, may
What should I buy? Must latte. I'll buy this thing. What I bought. My breakfast for today. Breakfast. Solo ka na dyan. Buhe!
Dalawa lang po yung alam kong Korean word. 안녕하세요.
At?
일단은 투 옵션이 있어.
Roommate.
패스워드.
Roommates. 감사합니다, 쌤.
Yan na yung cake niyo.
Here on the bus. Kita ka? And bye-bye, Incheon. See you again when I see you.
Later.
Hindi si Sem ba yan? Baka kay Sem mo. Wow.
Later.
Hindi ko na naubos yung kanin ko kasi super busog na ako.
A few moments later.
Hindi ko na nakikita.
생각나실 때는 저 안에 한복 입고 사진 찍으셔도 돼요.
We're going to our rooms now. Ay, bigat. Elevator.
Ang ganda naman ng elevator nila.
Nakita ang luggage namin sa hagdan. Nakakaloka. Yearly struggles here in Jindo. Alright. Finally here. And let's have a small room tour. It's still the same. we're here. So, hinihingal pa rin ako. The beds, still the same. Even yung cover is same pa rin na design. So, dito ulit ako pupwesto. Same as last year sa tabi na bintana. So, bukas na lang ulit. Kasi, hindi nyo rin makikita yung view sa labas. Good night, guys. Bye!